Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I have an IKEA hack for you. My toddler Kiki is quite a social girl. She has a lot of play dates and play groups she goes to, but as we're stuck indoors now, I have to bring all the entertainment to her. And luckily we got a garden, and last year I built her a sand pit. If you want to see that tutorial, have a look below, I'll link it in the description. But as she also loves playing with water, I thought it wouldn't be fun if I make her little mud kitchen. So have a look and see how I turned this IKEA Trovast unit into a very cute mud kitchen. I'm using the IKEA Trovast unit that normally sits on the wall. I've got a quite small garden, so I think the smaller unit will look nice and the bigger one they also sell. Make sure you go for the pine one though, because the furniture board won't do as it has to sit outdoors. Comes with these nice white plastic storage boxes, and two of them are gonna sit on top of your unit. Line them up nicely, making sure they're not too close to the screws, and you're gonna trace the bottom of two of the storage bins. Drill a hole just on the inside of your pencil mark. This is for your jigsaw blade to go through, and then slowly cut out the shape. You need to cut roughly a centimeter outside the pencil mark you made. Have a quick check to see if the box actually fits, and give the whole table a good sand. To give the table a bit of height, I'm using some furniture legs. I took these off a sideboard I wasn't using anymore, and I originally bought them in a second-hand shop, so not only are they thrifted but also reused. I'm screwing them in place, and then give your table a good brush because you want to get rid of all the sand dust before you start painting. I couldn't decide if I wanted to paint this unit grey or pink, so I tested them both out and decided pink was a lot more fun. So I used the Rust-Oleum Universal All paint, which is a paint and primer in one. It's in the color rose and it's a good paint for indoor and outdoor projects, so perfect for this mud table. I only needed one coat of paint, which was perfect. After I let the paint dry for 24 hours, it was time to insert the boxes. You fill one of the top ones with water and the other one with sand. Fill all the other buckets with toys, and as you can see, it's super easy for them to play because they can just take it out, play with it, and then once they're done, put it back in. And of course, don't forget a fun few toys too. I think this might be Kiki's favorite thing I ever built her. I gave her a mud kitchen to play with, and she played with it for a solid 2.5 hours. This girl has got an attention span of a mosquito. She buzzes from one toy to another, but for a solid 2.5 hours she was playing. First with the water, then with the sand, then she discovered she can mix the water and the sand, and then we had a solid hour of mud play, and she absolutely loved it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and have a look at all my other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. There is loads of videos for you to look at if you need inspiration for things to do while you're stuck indoors, or maybe little updates on your interior. I'll be back soon with a new video, and I really hope to see you then.